Spot direct. Rust wants to finish this padlock because of rain. This is engine oil. The rain is affecting it. Rust. Mosquito, hamaka. What do I've been looking for neem tree, dogoyaro leaf. I didn't know it's right behind you. Right behind me, dogoyaro leaf. I don't find this leaf. I say, how come this community? Not be on the name and dogoyaro. How am I not go get dogoyaro? Meanwhile, the whole time is here. The whole time dogoyaro is here. I will boil some. So dogoyaro is what they use for apple self. Chewy stick. Apple is that neem tree. That's what they use for chewy stick. So many health benefits, good for diabetes too. So if you are diabetic, you're drinking the tea every morning, you'll see improvement on your health. I'm not a doctor, because Savet Mto. This Savet or Cavet? Which is it? Cavet Mto or Savet Mto? I know the Mto is Mto. I don't know about the Cavet. Is it Cavet or Savet? Cavet Mto, Savet Mto. One. This one is baby one. Baby snail. Wow. Give me some. When it's so red. So red. It's flaming red. It's like, give me some. Sunset. The sun is setting. Wait. Something bring me here. The sun is setting. Found the baby snail. Those ones are the backside. I don't know if they are still there.